Okay, Grant, this is from last week. If we can get you to get that good extension on every one of them, I think we're going to be getting somewhere. Also, we talked a little bit about widening your base just a little bit. And I know in batting practice during batting practice drills and things like that, especially front toss, um, it just gets kind of tiring, really, really tiring to get your legs really spread out far. One thing I'm going to be interested in seeing this spring is how you approach each pitcher. I don't want you thinking too much. That's the problem, that giving you a lot of information might give you the illusion you need to be thinking a whole lot. You really don't. I just want you to make good decisions. And the only thing I would say is, if you keep these same kind of motor skills, and I'm not repeating the same ones. These are all different swings. One thing I would say is, when you go into practice, make sure you're practicing your counts, not just getting in there and just hacking. Getting there and just say, okay, the first half I'm going to work on hitting exactly what I want, and really making good decisions on seeing and learning what it, getting in your mind what an inside middle pitch looks like, feels like when you see it at various speeds. Even if you use a machine and you get real close, to the machine, like that pitch right there, 2-strike pitch, that'd been fine. But if that was a pitcher's count, then that's too low. That one might be just a tad too low. That's definitely a pitcher's pitch when it's knee high. When it's, you need to decide, okay, that's a little too high, maybe an outside. Watch it all the way back to the screen, get a good eye. But when it's thigh high like that right there, you can put a good swing on it every time. When it's just down around knee height like that right there, it's sometimes you may strike it well, sometimes not. It's definitely a pitcher's pitch right there. So if you're making that decision while you're in a pitcher's count with 2 strikes, and it's a curveball, then definitely keep the bat head in the zone for a long time. Put a good swing on it. But if that's a hitter's count, which that right there was a good hitter's count pitch, then by all means take a good swing at it. You're not always going to square it up. But I'm encouraged. We'll keep working on the mental side of this, not just the physical, the mental side. Okay? See you next time.